dear friends, in this video I'm going to paint another figure, but it's not just with ink. In this session we are going to paint this with color, with different colors, and it's become a great painting after I'm showing you the process of the paint. For the first I start with choosing colors and brush, and for this painting I start with kind of green and blue, and the combination together with water. So sometimes I just try this color once, and sometimes it takes time to achieve that color I wanted to get. For this painting, colors should be near each other. For example, when I painted its clothes with this kind of green, for the lines it should be the same color as I use, but in a darker mood. For this painting I always try to practice before I start painting, and I mean practicing lines and figure itself. And then after I achieved a great mood of combination and everything was perfect, I copy my sketch on the other paper and start painting. And it starts with just painting a different section of the painting, and after that making a near color as near as we can for drawing the lines around every section. So everyone who is interested in Persian painting, I highly recommend to practicing, and if someone has a great knowledge of color combinations, it would be perfect because it makes you one step ahead, and you don't need to try or practice different colors combination, and you can start with painting all figure and practicing just lines. I always paint the face at the end of the painting because it needs more details and it takes too much time to paint all part or all member of the face, and it is really kind of working that you need to be more attentive and focused on what you are painting. And for the hairs, eyebrows, and hairs in the head, you need to have a great knowledge, and you need to be well prepared because it takes too much time, and you should start with lighter lines and draw every single hair, and then going to the darker lines. Actually, it was really easy for me from the first time I started drawing, even though I haven't drawn like that, but because I'm really talented in this kind of painting and it's kind of my passion, so I moved step by step very soon, and it was really enjoyable time for me, drawing and painting and focusing on every single hair. It was such a great time. You know, it doesn't need too much shadows and ups and downs, and for example the light direction because Persian painting is a painting that there is no clear source of the light in this painting, and everything seems to be placed in the light. In ancient Iran, when people wanted to draw these plants and trees for the background, they used of real gold. But now I'm using gold color with ochre and some different brown. And for the clothes, it's kind of trend that use those elements that you used in the painting. For example, those trees and stone and clothes. In this part of the video, I will give you some information about my paintings. I usually use this size of paper for my paintings because they are really comfortable and handy. And the other thing I want to share with you is that for this kind of lines, look at this part, this kind of lines, I couldn't draw them with my brush, so I use this, which is turning. Turning is a good thing for this kind of drawing, and it will help you to draw lines without any hesitation, which is perfect for our drawing.